Well, good day there, everyone there out in Tech Land. This is your guy again, Tech Guy. How's everybody doing today? I hope you're all doing fantastic. And look what I have here. Google Home Mini. Yes. When I bought a Mini, I did have the big one, but at the end I look of it, it wasn't my style. But I kind of like, the look of this device here. I do like the price of it too as well, which is great. It's like half the price as to have the big Google Home. Does the same thing, except doesn't have the more touchscreen. But anyway, we could do that later on down the road. So I got it today at one of the local businesses here in town. They're all on sale again. Good thing about the Google Home Mini, they're always going on sale. Not like the big sale when it first came out, like $40 in Canada. But now it's back down to $60. So really, it's a really good deal. Compared to like the Amazon products, which are great as well too, don't get me wrong. But, that's probably why the Google Home is advancing so quickly, going past Amazon here in Canada and in the States and everywhere else. Because, well, look what you're getting with it. It's fantastic. And they're really adding a lot of things to it. So anyway, we're going to do this little unboxing here. Have a look at the box and see what's in the go. So being honest, this is a classic kind of box in the go. I did take out the plastic wrap already. Just some of the things you can say, on your Google Home as well. Asking where the skin rig is, call mom. So you can make phone calls with the Google Home. Fantastic stuff. Same as the Echo. And of course down the road too as well. I got the Echo here as well, the second gen. I might do a comparison between both of them and see what they're like. Good thing about it, you can play games with it. It's pretty much whatever you can do with your Google Assistant on your Android device or even your iPhone device. This is pretty much all it is in one packet. Of course, all the Google services works well with it, like Google Play Music and all that as well too, right? And links over your calendar, I think email as well too, all that stuff as well. And it says there, like, small and mighty Google Home Mini is powered by the Google Assistant. Like I said, it asks questions, tells it to do things. It's never been easier to get hands-free help in any room. And that's all in French, which I can't speak French, even though I'm Canadian. Believe that? Yes. Know it all. Basically says to tap into the power of Google to get real-time answers to all your questions. Sets alarms, finds out about your commute, gets the news and more. Voice control your home, so your lights. I have my smart lights here as well too. I'm going to test it out with my Philips Hue system. See how that goes. Use your voice to play your music and also start your TV. So I do have a Google Chromecast Ultra for my 4K TV. So I'm going to hook it up and see how that goes, and it does work very well. On the side here, you can see these are some of the things that it works with. So Spotify is fantastic. Now, when I had the big Google Home, the good thing about Spotify, what I heard, seen, and tried out, is that like you don't need it. You didn't need a Spotify Premium to use it with the Google Home. With the Echo system, Alexa. No, I'm sorry. Echo, quiet, please. There we go.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, neither am I. Thank you. So with this right here, basically you don't have to have a premium system to use it with the Amazon device, which is great, So that's great. That saves like $10 a month. Play music with as well too. Netflix, YouTube, Google Photos, Chromecast, the Hue, Vimeo, Nest, and so many more things to do as well. And I can say the list is growing. That's right there. So that's true. So I got the charcoal color. I like that better than the white one. The white one, everybody gets the white one. I don't know why, but I like this color. It goes better with the stuff in my room and everything as well too. So I already ripped it open because, as you know, I'm using my Samsung S8 here right now to do my videos. Because, I'm starting out doing this, so you gotta start somewhere. So let's see what's inside and how it looks. Oh, there you go. Haha. Well, that's one way to take it out. Okay, so let's move this side here. So you can see, like, this is the size of it. Now, my hands are, pretty decent size, right? And there we go. Pretty nice. How am I focusing? What's going to go with this here? There we go. Okay. And here, nice cloth as well too. You know, basically almost like a big pebble or a big stone looking, you know, to that. Nice and grippy in the bottom. You see, like, really slow my thumb down there. Right here in the back, this is your power, your mute switch off and on. And it has a micro USB, which I don't know, a lot of people said, like, why did Google do that? Well, you know what? It keeps the cost down a little bit, you know, if you want to look at it that way. Because USB, like, look at the cost of a micro USB cable over a USB Type-C cable. They're a bit more expensive. And that's what's keeping the cost of these down. And that's why people are buying these as well, too. Because, yeah, you know, if a cable goes, you can go down to, you know, local like Walmart or, my God, even your dollar store and get a micro USB cable to power this up, right? So, no big deal. Nice and smooth to the touch. Very nice, very nice. And that's why I got this color, because I like the color because it goes nice, you know, well, with what I got in my room here, right? So, let's see what else is in here. Okay. See it? Okay. Now you can see, like, Google's getting really nice with the packaging. Like, this is where it is on top, easy to take out. There's a book there in the middle. Oh, here we go. Another classic unboxing for me. There we go. You know, that's all just your paperwork and stuff there that comes with it. Let's see what else we got here. Let's get started. Get to know your Google Home, what it can do, blah, blah, blah. Be safe. Yeah, you don't want to go, you know, using, you know, your Google Home while driving, folks. That's not really good. And what else in here? Da, 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 da. There's your plug. And I think that is it. Yeah, it looks like it. Yeah, okay. So pretty much, this is what you get inside of your box all the time. You got your Google Home Mini, fantastic device. This is nothing. That's only packaging. You get all your paperwork, safety, get to know your Google Home, and just more words, what to do, what to say, bedroom, kitchen, blah, blah, blah. And let's get started. All it says in the back, you know, you basically got to plug it in, and you got to download the app, the Google Home app, and just follow the steps on the app. Very easy to do. And basically, you train your voice to it as well, too, to work it. And if you want to put in guest mode for your friends to come by, they can do it as well, too. You know, pretty much standard plug. It's plasticky and nothing like fancy material. Let me see here now. How many watts is this? Doesn't really say. No, okay. And you can see here, there's your standard micro USB cable. So you see, this is only all in one piece, but, you know, say this gets damaged here. What's the big deal? Go get another plug for a couple of dollars. Go get another micro USB cable, a couple of dollars. Plug it into your Google Home Mini, and voila. So pretty much what you do, you got to plug this here into your Google Home Mini, plug this in the wall, and it stays at that all the time. It doesn't charge up. You can't like charge this up and take it on the go. That just stays plugged into that. So there you go. So, you know, there's my little Google Home Mini unboxing. I hope you liked it. If you do like it, you know, give me a big old thumbs up. That's a big thumb, by the way. Big old thumbs up. And, you know, leave a little comment. And I'll make a comment back to you. You know, all that kind of stuff as well, too. There you go. So I'm going to set this up. And then later on sometime, I'm going to do a little comparison, little test out, whatever, you know, between my Echoes. Oh, sorry, I did it again. Echo stop. Between my Amazon device and my Google Home Mini, and to see for the sound comparison. Now, I did want to do a test on this one because this is the most popular device with Google right now, or even over the Google Home Mini, over the Google Home, sorry, and the Amazon second gen device is what pretty much the most popular device about too, because it comes down to the looks of both devices, and as well for the sound quality and for what you're getting for the price. So there you go. So like I said, leave a little comment, and if you like, you know, what you're seeing, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. This is your tech guy saying goodbye, and may all your tech be good tech.